And here we are, everyone's walking along. Here comes Mr. Right Stuff. Look at that, he's ready to go. Here they are, the Right Stuff team. Here we are at Kennedy Space Center, checked in. Here's the buses, getting ready to go. Well, here we are, about to get on the bus. Big bus. Here we are. No, this is fine.
Aries number 1 will carry up the Orion space capsule. We go off pad A. One will go off pad B. Once they get in space, they're going to connect. They'll either then go to the International Space Station or go to the moon. And they're talking about eventually building a substation on the moon. If this happens, the astronauts will be able to go to the moon, do research there, go from there on to Mars. We have a going to the pad. Now this road was special built, folks. They had to dig it out 7 foot deep because it was all swampland. Fill it up with big crushed stone. Then they had to lay asphalt over the crushed stone and then smaller stone over asphalt. You dug down 4 inches. Leave anything on the bus. When you come off the tower, you'll pick up a different bus which will continue the tour. And you're going into a 6-minute pre-show. And then
This 39B, it's being converted from shuttle to other. To the next type of rocket. The 39As over there.
Sue, where are the other two? They with Mike? Sue, are the other two with Mike? Are the other 2 boys with Mike?
Colin's right there with Ben. There's Caleb.
The quality transporter is the giant piece of equipment that we use to take the platform, the launch pad, that sets down the launcher platform on
The vehicle assembly building.
the pad itself. And it's on this launcher platform.
There's the new 39B, working on that. There's the new 39A. TV stuff.
when people come in, of course everyone's cheering and clapping
And look, there's Kathleen.
It's extremely exciting. We have touchdown, the drag shoot, toys, and then it's time for us.
feet of wiring, and then go over each one of those wires, whether it's one, sometimes more than one.
Then any one facility, you're looking at about 100 people that are working on the overhead.
Usually stays and you'll see it there's hundreds of valves, and you'll get operated nice.
Which one is the physical?
Hey guys! Yeah. Leaving the gantry after our exciting movie.
This group of buildings over to the left is the press side area. This is where the news media is invited out to watch, broadcast, and televise along. This location is about 3 anniversary. Understand it took somewhere in excess of they used to pick up an orbiter and put it on the back, especially the bigger 747 aircraft, whenever they need to transport an orbiter across country. And just north of that is our
Get it in one scene.
Seven, that's almost, that's a seven.
Se llama basal, mare basal. Es una roca porosa que se produce por la lava cruciada. Tiene aproximadamente 3.7 millones de años.
More forward, just into the right hole. Down a half. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. And jet down. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
It's our home port in the endless ocean of space.
There was something which was surprising to me. It occurred as I was standing on the surface. Just after we had landed, I'd gone down standing.
Yeah, he sees you. I don't see him very often. Well, it's normally for the mum's birthday. Yeah, everybody was there. That was great.
You ready?
Walking in that facility, the replica of the actual Marvel next to the full space capsules to the Skylab orbital one shot. Taking photo of me? get us both in?
Yeah, I got you.
Me and my date.
Spaceman. The industrial complex. And the space station.
Then go back and retest stuff. They'll be inside like these letting get yeah. There should be 6 of them all together. And so there will be somewhere in the, now from here over dock to there is 98 yards. 98 yards. From there to there is 111 yards. Yeah, it doesn't look that good, so these are radiators. From here to here is about 240 feet, I believe it is. And that's Columbus, that's Keeble. This is our air station. Because all they need is a sleep bag. They tether themselves down. If they something fell, they have to time themselves down so they can use the book. Even though we were
Spanish?
7% of the nation budget.
Looks like it's French.
Hold on.